Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this short video I want to show you how to format numbers in thousands or in millions. So when you look at this, the actual money here is 1 million, which is 6 zeros, and I formatted it to 1M. The second one is 10K. So how do you do this? Do you just write 10 and write K by the side? If I say something like 10 and I will write K here, when I enter, Excel doesn't recognize a 10,000 there. No, what Excel knows is what you wrote here is 10K. Even if I say comments lie, and you know, Excel does something. Numbers move to your right. This is the way number moves to, and labels, when you write something like names or memes, stays this side. So Excel does not see this 10K here as number or money, it sees it as label. So how about you want Excel to know that this 10K here is a number and not a letter? You format it using the formula I'm going to show you now. So guys, I have my 1 million here. How do I format it to 1M? So you can use two ways to do this. Either use your Control 1. When you press Control 1, this comes up and you go to your custom. So in your custom, I'm going to explain something here. You can see we have this place that you have your type is the format code for numbers. So let me explain something very quickly to you. You can see this first one here represent positive number. The second one, everything is separated by hyphen. This is a negative number, represent negative number. This represents, you can see that I'm selecting them, represent zero numbers, while this last one here represents labels. You want to write something like profit, like loss, you want to attach them to your figures. You want to say 10,000 loss, 10, you can just change this, write loss here, and it will affect here. But for the sake of this video, what we are looking at is changing this 0 here, which is a positive number, removing the 6 zeros and replacing them with M. So guys, so every change we are going to make is going to be in this first one, right? Because I said it represents positive numbers. So again, you will notice that we have two commas here, and we have one comma here. So when I place another comma here, and I change this hash here, this 3 number here, like the hash and 0 represent the zeros here. So I can just change them, replace them with M. Notice something: anytime you're writing labels in Excel into a formula, use these 2 apostrophes. You understand? 2 apostrophes to include them there. So once I just say OK, you can see my zeros are represented with million. So let's do that for 10,000. So the first one, I press Control 1. This one I'm just going to right click, and it brings out this mini toolbar. So I will just choose the format cell. It shows up. So I'll go back to my custom, and you see, like before, that 1 million has 2 commas separating it. This one has 1 comma, so there'll be no need of adding an extra comma here. So what I will just do is just replace this with, and I will say OK. So this is it on how to format 10,000 or 10 million to 1M and 1K, 10K. So how about I want to do that for my graph? So I'll just right click, go to my format axis. It will pop up this, you can see this format axis. So Under this my graph looking icon, I'll just scroll down my numbers and I'll just change it here to my format code. I'll just change it here. Remember, positive number, this is the millions, right? I have millions, so I'll just do add my second comma there. So I haven't done that. I'll just click on my add. You can see it is formatted to millions. So this is how to format your numbers to make it easy to read. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, just say thank you, just say wow, anything you can say to trigger the algorithm so the more people can see this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.